Welcome to Ctrl Alt I.T, where we simplify everything about tech. In this video, we're going to talk about AI agents. AI is evolving fast, and AI agents are at the center of this revolution. But what exactly are AI agents, and how can they help you today? Let's find out. AI agents are advanced artificial intelligence systems designed to perform tasks autonomously without needing constant human supervision. Unlike traditional AI models, AI agents can analyze data, make decisions, and even interact with other systems to achieve complex goals. They are transforming industries by automating workflows, improving efficiency, and handling tasks that previously required human intervention. Here are 5 best AI agents you can use today. First on our list is AutoGPT. It's an open-source AI agent capable of breaking down complex tasks into smaller, executable steps. Unlike ChatGPT, which requires user prompts, AutoGPT can set its own goals and complete tasks independently. It's widely used for research, content creation, and automation. Next, we have OpenAI's Assistants API. This tool allows developers to create customized AI agents that can be integrated into applications, chatbots, and business workflows. If you're a developer looking for a powerful AI integration, this is a must-try. Google's Gemini AI is an advanced multimodal AI designed to process text, images, and even code. It's built to enhance user experiences with smarter AI-driven interactions. If you've used Google Bard before, think of Gemini as its next-gen evolution. Next, we have BabyAGI, another open-source AI agent. BabyAGI, an autonomous task execution AI designed to learn and improve over time. It's perfect for automating repetitive tasks and managing workflows in business environments. The more it runs, the smarter it gets. Last on our list is HuggingGPT. This AI agent integrates OpenAI's language models with Hugging Face's vast ecosystem of machine learning models. It's designed for developers who want to create AI-powered applications using specialized models for different tasks. Now that we've seen the top AI agents you can use today, let's take a look at the bigger picture, the benefits they bring, the challenges we face, and what the future holds for AI agents. AI agents are revolutionizing how we work. They boost productivity, reduce manual effort, and allow businesses to scale operations faster than ever before. Whether you're an entrepreneur, developer, or researcher, using AI agents can give you a competitive edge. However, AI agents are not without challenges. Ethical concerns, security risks, and the potential for misuse remain key issues. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to use these tools responsibly. The future of AI agents looks promising. With advancements in automation, AI will continue to take over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creative and strategic work. Expect even more powerful AI-driven assistants in the coming years. Which AI agent do you find the most useful? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Ctrl Alt I.T for more simple and clear takes on AI and tech. See you in the next one.